List Chrome extension with webcam and screen recorder. Webcam and screen recording extensions for Google Chrome are popular tools that allow users to capture video footage from their webcams or record activities on their screens. These extensions have gained widespread usage due to their convenience, ease of use, and versatility. In this article, we will explore some of the most widely used webcam and screen recorder extensions for Chrome, discussing their features, user base, and potential limitations. 1. Loom. Loom is a highly popular Chrome extension for webcam and screen recording. It boasts a large user base due to its user-friendly interface and robust feature set. Loom allows users to record their cameras, screens, or both simultaneously. It offers options to pause and resume recordings, making it convenient for editing and trimming. Loom also provides various sharing options, allowing users to send videos directly via email or generate unique links for sharing. The extension offers a free version with limited storage and features, while premium plans unlock additional benefits such as higher video quality and advanced editing tools. Loom's extensive user base is a testament to its reliability and popularity. 2. ScreenCastify. ScreenCastify is another widely used webcam and screen recording extension for Chrome. It has amassed a large user base due to its simplicity and accessibility. ScreenCastify offers a straightforward interface with easy-to-use controls, making it suitable for users of all experience levels. It provides options to record full screens, browser tabs, or webcam-only footage. The extension also allows users to annotate recordings and add voiceovers during the capture process. ScreenCastify offers convenient integration with Google Drive, enabling users to save recordings directly or export them as video files. While the free version of ScreenCastify has limitations on video duration and adds watermarks, the premium version unlocks extended recording time, advanced editing features, and higher video quality. The substantial user base of ScreenCastify demonstrates its popularity and reliability as a recording tool. 3. Nimbus Screenshot and Screen Video Recorder. Nimbus is a versatile extension that offers both screenshot and screen recording capabilities. It has gained a significant user base due to its comprehensive feature set and ease of use. Nimbus allows users to capture webcam footage, screens, or specific application windows. The extension offers various recording options, including full screen, browser tab, or custom region. It also provides additional features like drawing tools, text annotations, and video trimming. Nimbus supports exporting videos in multiple formats and allows for direct sharing on platforms like YouTube. The extension has a free version with basic features, while the premium version offers additional benefits such as longer recording time and higher video resolution. The large user base of Nimbus attests to its reliability and popularity among users. 4. Soapbox. Soapbox is a Chrome extension developed by Wistia, which has garnered a significant user base. It stands out from other webcam and screen recording extensions due to its focus on creating professional-looking video content. Soapbox offers an intuitive interface with a customizable video player, making it suitable for users who require a polished video presentation. The extension allows users to record their webcams, screens, or both simultaneously. Soapbox provides features like video trimming, text overlays, and the ability to record PowerPoint presentations. It offers easy integration with popular video hosting platforms like YouTube and Vimeo. While the free version of Soapbox has limited features and adds watermarks, the premium plans unlock advanced editing tools, higher video quality, and branding customization options. The significant user base of Soapbox demonstrates its appeal among users seeking a professional video recording experience. 5. Camtasia Capture. Camtasia Capture is an extension by TechSmith, the creators of the popular Camtasia Studio software. It has gained a substantial user base due to its comprehensive feature set and integration with the Camtasia Studio software. Camtasia Capture offers advanced features for webcam and screen recording, attracting a dedicated user base. The extension provides options to record full screens, custom regions, or webcam-only footage. It offers a range of editing capabilities, including the ability to add transitions, annotations, and audio enhancements. Camtasia Capture seamlessly integrates with the Camtasia Studio software, allowing users to transfer recordings for further editing and production. While the extension itself is free, using Camtasia Studio for advanced editing requires a separate license. The significant user base of Camtasia Capture highlights its popularity among professionals and users seeking advanced editing features. 6. OBS Studio. While not exclusively a Chrome extension, OBS Studio is a widely used open-source software for webcam and screen recording that can be used in conjunction with Chrome. OBS Studio has gained a considerable user base due to its robust features and flexibility. It allows users to record multiple sources simultaneously, including webcams, screens, and audio inputs. OBS Studio offers extensive customization options, enabling users to fine-tune recording settings and layouts. The software supports live streaming to popular platforms like YouTube and Twitch. OBS Studio's user base comprises a mix of professionals, gamers, and content creators who appreciate its versatility and powerful features. It's important to note that the user base of webcam and screen recording extensions can vary over time, as new extensions are developed and existing ones gain or lose popularity. User preferences and requirements also differ, so it's essential to choose an extension that aligns with your specific needs. Additionally, keep in mind that while these extensions may have large user bases, individual experiences and requirements may vary. It's advisable to read user reviews, explore the features and limitations of each extension, and select the one that best suits your recording needs. In conclusion, webcam and screen recording extensions for Chrome have gained significant traction due to their ease of use, versatility, and range of features. Popular extensions like Loom, Screencastify, Nimbus Screenshot and Screen Video Recorder, Soapbox, and Camtasia Capture have amassed substantial user bases by offering reliable recording capabilities and user-friendly interfaces. OBS Studio, while not a Chrome extension, is also widely used for its powerful features and flexibility. When selecting a webcam and screen recording extension, consider your specific requirements, such as the desired recording modes, editing capabilities, and integration options, to find the extension that best meets your needs. Thanks for watching.